Hello, from last video we know that whenever we change the code we clean and build and then we get some system error if we don't log into the system. So now I show you one way to check that to avoid the problem. So I just go ahead and create a new class. Actually it's a servlet, common servlet. This servlet is just to check whether the user logged into the system or not. So I just get a similar class, but I call it validate. In this method, I just want to check whether the user is logged into the system or not. So I use get attribute and should be this one. If this variable doesn't exist, it means that the user haven't logged into the system or the session is expired. Inform the user to log in and force them to come back to the login page. You haven't to the system. Okay, so that's everything we need in this action, and in every action class we need to expand that one. So we just instead of extend the normal HTTP class, we just extend common servlet instead, and then before doing anything we just check whether the user logged into the system or not. And by the way, I also want to create some other classes. I can just clone this one and I call it logout. This one, if I want to log out from the system, I just do it. This one I need a do get method to destroy the session by get session and then invalidate, and then I will send redirect. This means I've forward. It is a bit different from the forward method, but I will explain for you this one in another time. Okay, so I got logout, and then I need a home action. The home action, actually we need to go here. And this one we also need to check whether the user logged into the system or not. Validate. Okay, now I want to update menu. Oh, I think from the last video I make it this wrong order. Should be the one here, and this should be home action. Okay, and I need to add the logout link. Should be here. Oh, this one I think I got the wrong spell. Also, it doesn't matter, but it's look bad. Okay, come back to the other page. This one I also need a link. Okay, now just go ahead and clean and build. Start the server and try to run. Log into the system. Okay, so I may go here. Oops, it's not a servlet. Oh, let me check this one. Come on. Oh, sorry, this one. Yes. Okay, this is a big mistake. I just tried to explain for you and then I forgot to extend this one. Okay, my bad. Okay, we try to run again. Okay, this one works, right? Go here, go here, I go here. Okay, and this one now I try to clean and build the project, so it won't get some system error, just like the last time we met, right? Okay, now I click here. This will go here. Okay, so our common action works. Okay, I want to log out. And if I want to go this one, it will forward here. Okay. Oh, you see something from our first video? I'll show you that. Okay, when I click, but this one doesn't work. So now I will fix that. This, whenever you click here, the whole page will be reloaded. So we need to change a bit in the code. And in the future, I will show you the other way by using Ajax. So you don't need to load the whole page after you submit something. Okay, now we just change it first. Okay, so I just, let's say, user management. This means that I will set the class for active. Okay. And in home page, I do the same way. This one, home. Okay, now I will come back to my menu. And this one, instead of using this one, we need to make it dynamically. So I put it home. And this one, I put it user management. And this one, because we don't have some action yet, so we don't need to proceed anything. Now we try to clean and build. Check whether it works or not. Okay, click here until this logout. Okay, now I click here. Okay, I click here. Okay, it works. But you know what? This one doesn't work, right? So we have one more thing to do. Is for the login system. I mean the login action. We also need to put this one home. Okay, the wrong condition. Okay, try again. See, now you can see it's active here, active here, active here. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.